Planet Pat Inc. Howdy, y'all. Welcome to Planet Pat's Golden Rule Walkabout. And today, we're taking a short walk through Orchid Park in Coral Springs, Florida. Oh, wow! Look at that! It's my first time seeing a cardinal down here in South Florida. And remember the golden rule, kids. Do unto others as you want done unto you. That means if you see a wildlife, leave it alone. It's just living its life. You don't want anybody to bother you, so don't bother them. And see you next time, kids, on Planet Pat's Adventures.
Planet Pat Inc. Darn tootin'.